What's up, you guys? This is I cannot talk with these things in my mouth. What's up, you guys? It's your girl jadatyshene back with another video. Period. If it sounds like I'm talking crazy, I got my retainers in, so not too much. And if y'all see me looking two different places, I'm recording on my phone and my camera, so just to let y'all know. But today for this video, we are doing the latte makeup trend, and y'all, honestly, it's just neutral makeup. It's nothing spectacular. We're gonna be trying it today because the girls be on the trend, okay? So we just gonna hop right into it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give your girl a big thumbs up, and yeah, let's get right into it, girl. I already moisturized off camera. I don't really do, like, I don't have a set routine, but yeah, I already prepped the skin. But now I'm going in with my milk. I need to re-up, y'all. I need to re-up. I'm going in with my milk primer. Just putting it all over the skin. I don't care what happened to my audio, but for foundation, I went in with my Maybelline Super Safe Foundation in the color Coconut. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Next, I'm going to be going in with my Lancôme concealers that they sent me. Period. And I'm obsessed with these. I use them every day. Even when I don't use foundation, I just put some under my eye and I put a little bit of blush on and I just go about my day. I don't even need too much. Like, they're so creamy and so good. Like, I love them. And I just put it on my highlighted areas. I need to take these out. My highlighted areas here. And I also put some up just because I like a lifted look. Oh yeah, and this is the color 460. I like a bright inner corner, so next to my color of concealer, I'm going to be going in with BSW. And as y'all can see, it's way brighter. So I just go in with the inner corner like so. If you want to really be bronzed up, girl, make sure you get a black opal foundation stick, please. These will get you so bronzed up. What I use is the color Beautiful Bronze, and I always be so bronzy, so cute, like. And it's kind of close to my skin tone, but I still use it because I don't want to look too dark. I don't want it to look like contour. I just want to look bronze. And I put it on my nose as well, like so. And to blend it out, I go back in with my foundation brush just so it can blend better. Now I'm going to be blending out the rest of my concealer, and I like doing it better this way just because I like a bright under eye. I like my concealer and my highlighted areas to really show. And when I blend out the sides, I kind of just smudge it out into my hairline just so it won't look so obvious that I made that line. Like right here, you can kind of see it. It's just a straight line right here. You can kind of tell I blended it out. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Now I'm going to do the forehead and then the nose. And I do these last because I want it to be as bright as possible without looking too like white or anything. And what I do, I blend everything out except the inner corner. Like, I go around it, but I don't blend it out just yet, because I want it to sit there just a little bit more. Okay. I know this is supposed to be a new look, but I can't go without my blush. The powder blush I'm going to be using, it's a brown blush, but I need a base before I use that one. And I'm just going in with this blush right here from, I don't know, it's Ruby Kisses. I think it's so old, like you can't even see it on the front, but it's a Ruby Kisses contour palette, and it works for me, girl. Then I'm going to be going in with my beauty blender, and I spray it with my e.l.f. makeup setting mist. And I just make sure it gets all the way in my beauty blender before I use it. And I just dab it just so I can blend it out into my concealer and my bronzer. Like that. Look at that glow, like get it to the glow, get it to it. It's definitely giving. Now that I blended out my blush, girl, I'm gonna be going in and blending out my under eye because we let it sit long enough. And I kind of drag it down to the tip of my nose a little bit just because I want my nose to be, these liners, oh my goodness. But I'm trying to make my nose a little bit slim. And let me do it on the other side. Now I'm going to be going in with my Laura Mercier, and y'all know this is my go-to because Laura always gonna get me right, okay? Now I'm going in with my powder puff. Y'all, I got these on Amazon. I got like a, I think it was like a 12 pack, honestly. And they come in so handy because y'all know I'm a makeup artist and it just works, it just works. I need them. I need 12 of them, okay? More than that, honestly. And I just pressed that into my concealer. I pressed the most powder into the inner corner and then I just let it fade to the edges. And before I do the other side, I always go back in and blend it out just because we do not want no under eye creases. Although I use the powder puff for the under eye, I go back in with my beauty blender and I set the face everywhere else with the beauty blender instead of the powder puff. Just because it just blends it out more, honestly. I'm gonna go back in with my concealer brush just to blend out my contour on my nose before I set it. Now I'm going in. And I'm gonna put my Laura Mercier powder on just the bridge of my nose. But what I do is tap off the excess and I go in on the sides. Because if you like me and if your nose be the oiliest, you need to set it with powder. I don't care what nobody say. Even when I set it, my nose still tends to get oily and I don't know what it is. So I try to set it as much as possible before I go back in with my powder on top. And then just to set the rest of the contour, I still pat it off with my hands and I go back in over the rest of the face. For brows, I'm going in with the Brow Glue by NYX and I'm using the color Black. What I do at least 3 coats just so I won't have to fill it in as much with my eyebrow pencil. I was not even recording, oh my goodness. Y'all, I went in with Tan Neutral on the eyelids and e.l.f. Hydro Camo Concealer. So yeah, I thought I already clicked the thing. I saw on YouTube this makeup artist called Hindash. He's a well-known makeup artist. I see him do this glossy, bronzy type of nude. I don't know how to describe it. It was a brown look and it was giving. I kind of want to do that. I might. I don't know if I want to have the glossy look on there, but we're gonna see. We're gonna just hold on. But for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe 35G palette. And this is how it looks. This is such an older palette, but it still do the work. It still do the job for me. And I'm going to be going in with this color first. This is going to be our base color. And I'm really gonna pop that on the outer corner first and just pat it in before I like blend it out. And I bring mine all the way up to my brow bone. Next I'm going to be going in with this darker shade, and we're going to focus more on my cut crease just to darken it up a little bit. And then after that I'm going to be patting it in again on my corner. We're going to be going in with this color again on the outer corner, just because I like a dark outer corner. This retainer is gonna put me through it. Yeah, like something a little more darker, and we don't want it too dark, like that looks kind of harsh, so I'm gonna blend it out. It looks a little muddy, so I might go back in with my lighter shade because it's giving black on my eye, even though I know I went in with a brown. I'm going to go back in with this lighter shade on top. And then I'm going to drag it, lightly drag it on top just so I can blend out my brow bone. And then I went in a little bit on the inner corner, but just the crease. And here's how it looks. And now let me do the other side right quick. Okay, now for the inner corner, I'm going to be going in with this lighter shade. I'm gonna dust it out and kind of pat it in. And I'm not really too worried about the inner corner because I'm gonna add a shimmer on top in the middle. I just wanted to have something to set because you know we have concealer in the inner corner. And then just so I can brighten it up a little bit. I don't know which one I want to use. Which one is giving latte? Okay, now I'm going to be adding a color in the inner corner, and I don't know which one is giving latte. I feel like, I don't know, honestly I don't know which one to use. Let's do swatches. Thinking about those two, or maybe that one. They look so similar. I think I'm gonna do this one. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be swatching it with my finger, and I'm gonna be applying it on my eyelid. Just I'm gonna try to do just the inner corner. Let's see, to give like a halo effect. That's kind of cute. Then I'm gonna add a little bit more just because. Now for my favorite part, I'm gonna be going in with a chocolate brown eyeliner, and I just know it's gonna give. I'm gonna be using my Lancôme eyeliner that they also sent me, and with the color Syrup Brown. And if you know me, you know I never do another color eyeliner. I always do black, so I'm kind of excited to do this. Like, I'm excited to use a different color. Hopefully it looks bomb. See, oh, that's cute. I like that. Then I have to do my signature. Ooh, my signature wing. For bronzer, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe face palette, and I go in with the lighter shade. I'm gonna just show y'all, like, it's broke. Oh well. I'm going in and I'm hitting pan. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be going in with this color just to bronze me up. And I kind of pat mine in first before I rub it together. And I go in my cheekbones, forehead, and I'm gonna go in with my on my nose too. And then for blush, I'm going to be going in with my Juvia's Place Sahara 2 blush palette. And I'm just going to be going in with this brown blush so we can stay in the neutral colors. I'm not going to be using my orange blush. I'm just going to pat that in my cheeks. And y'all already know, like, I drag mine up just because I feel like it gives the most blended look as possible. And you know, I can't forget the nose. This is looking good so far, looking super cute. Like, I'm excited for the finished look. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to do my lips, but I think I'm gonna do a chocolate brown lip. I don't know yet, I'm gonna drag it a little bit under just to blend it out even more. Cute. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to be going back in with my Morphe face palette, and I'm going to be going in with this dark color, and I'm going to be using it under my eye just to blend it out, because we're not going to be going in with eyeliner under there. So I'm just going to use this. Oh yeah, make sure please tap off the excess so it won't get on your face. Blend it out like so. Well, that's cute. That's cute. I like that. I like that. Okay, let me drag it all the way to the inner corner. That's super cute. Like, get into it. My camera wasn't recording, but I went in with my Lash Sensational mascara in Maybelline, and I went in under on my bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna do the lips, and I think this is Wet n Wild. It says Ruby Kisses, okay. And I'm going in the color dark brown just to line my lips. Now I can't decide if I want to go in with a chocolate brown lip or do my go-to lip. I honestly don't know. Kind of want to be different today, so I kind of want to go with, oh my goodness, I kind of want to go in with this Dose of Colors matte lipstick, and this is the color Warm Me Up. We're gonna try it out. I don't really do color lipstick. I always do my lip liner in a pink gloss and keep it trucking. I'm kind of scared, but let's just try it out. Let's try for the experience. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is it giving? Is it cute? Honestly, it's not really my look. It's not my vibe. I don't think it looks bad, but I don't know. Hold on. I did not like the lip color. It wasn't bad, but it just wasn't my tea. So I put my lip liner back on. Now I'm going to be going in with my NYX. This is Milky lip gloss, and I go in with the color Milky Pink, and this is what it looks like. But I'm only gonna do one swatch because I don't want it to show that much of pinkness, if that makes sense. I'm just using it to blend out my lip liner because my lip liner can be kind of harsh. Like that. That's cute. And then I'm gonna add a clear gloss on top, but I gotta hurry up because my phone is about to die. Now I'm gonna be going in my Morphe Setting Spray. Whew. I'm gonna be using my beauty blender to blend it out. Lightly pat. Do not pat too much because it can rub the makeup, and we don't want to do that. So guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Is it giving latte? Is it giving mocha? Is it giving cappuccino? What is it giving? But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, we out. Bye y'all.